This is Scott Chan at Leeb.com, Leeb.com. Remember to visit our website and sign up for our free market forecast emails. On a very light trading day, the market traded water today, and the S&P ended up about 1/7 of a percentage point up. The trading volume on the New York Stock Exchange was comparable to the volume on the Friday after Thanksgiving last year, typically one of the lightest trading days of the year. We simply can't recall another time when trading was so light outside of holiday-related trading and when the financial crisis was gathering steam last summer. There was a technical glitch in the NYSE that lasted about 40 minutes, during which trading was not possible for about 240 companies. But still, that glitch on its own shouldn't result in such a light trading day. This suggests that there weren't a lot of buying interest. This may have just been an anomaly and mean nothing, but it certainly bears watching. There's another piece of pretty big news reported by an Italian news outlet that's been ignored by the US media. Last week, 2 Asians carrying Japanese passports were arrested in Italy for trying to smuggle more than $130 billion worth in US Treasury bearer bonds into Switzerland. Bearer bonds are unregistered treasury bonds that give ownership to whoever carries them, and 130 billion is a huge amount. Only a small handful of countries, in fact, hold more in U.S. Treasury bonds than those 2 guys were carrying. We don't know what's really going on over there, so the following is just pure speculation at this point. The bonds, we think, are probably counterfeits. The U.S. hasn't issued bearer bonds since the early 80s, and for 2 guys to be carrying more than $130 billion worth suggests that the bonds are probably fake. But then who's behind the scheme? Is it North Korea? But if the bonds are in fact real, then that's pretty troubling too, because it means that some government, possibly China or Japan, may be trying to secretly get rid of its US debt. And this doesn't make the credit worthiness of our government or the value of the dollar look very good at all. But again, not enough is known about the situation right now to make too much out of it. But this story is another thing to keep an eye out for. So that's it for today, and everybody have a great weekend, and please join us again next week.